How to fix MetaTrader 5 Login Authorization Failed Issue. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are facing Login Authorization Failed Issue in MetaTrader 5, then in this video I will guide you on how you can fix this issue. The first thing you can do is make sure that your MetaTrader 5 app is fully updated. For that, head over to Play Store, or if you are on your iOS device, head over to App Store. Then search for MetaTrader 5. Now, here if you find the update option, tap on that and update your application to the latest version. Once that is done, any bugs in your app will be fixed and this problem will also be resolved. If even after updating your application, your issue is still not fixed, then you want to head over to your settings. On your settings, tap on Apps. Then select MetaTrader 5 from this list. Go ahead and tap on Storage. Here, tap on Clear Cache. Once the cache has been cleared, tap on Clear Data and tap on the Delete option. Now all the data of the MetaTrader 5 app will be deleted. Go ahead and open the MetaTrader 5 app now and try to log into your account and check if your issue has been resolved. If it is still not resolved, then there is one more thing you can do, which is to simply uninstall this application. Once it has been uninstalled, head over to Play Store and then reinstall this application. After the reinstallation, any issue with this application should be resolved. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.